Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set up Google Authenticator app on iPhone. If you want stronger security for your accounts, this app adds an extra layer of protection. First, download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store and then open it. Next, on the account you want to secure like Gmail, Facebook or PayPal, go to the app you want to secure and then click on the menu and do the steps you'll have to do to open the double factor authentication, just like that. And here what you have to do is you have to enter your password. After you enable your two-factor authentication, choose Set Up Authenticator with Authenticator app. You see a QR code on your screen. On your iPhone, open the Google Authenticator app and then click on the plus icon and then scan the QR code from the scanner. You will see a 6-digit code in your app that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter that code back into your account setup page to confirm. Safety tip: always set up your backup codes when enabling two-factor authentication. If you lose your iPhone, you need them to log back in. Quick fix: if the code does not work, make sure your iPhone's date and time are set to automatic under settings. General data time, incorrect time can break the codes. And that's it. This is how you guys can set up Google Authentication app on iPhone. I hope this video helped you guys on doing that. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next